Hey babes, oh my god, where have I been? I don't know. Anywho, teaming up with Myfirstwig to bring you one of my favorite YouTubers collaboration. So of course the details will be listed down below. You know the usual, they always give you a bag, some free conditioner, a nice bag with some goodies like clips, combs, bobby pins, things like that. Of course, I'm going to show you one by one. But the best part about this is that we are working with Myfirstwigs in collaboration with Vicky Logan. So if you guys are not familiar with Vicky Logan, here on YouTube, she's one of the hair OGs, okay? And she recently dyed her hair this nice auburn, I guess it's kind of an auburn ginger color. So they pretty much just mimic the exact wig. Now you guys, of course, the method is supposed to be glueless, so I have my hair down in just a couple braids. The lace is closer to like a light brown transparent, so I did want to go ahead and kind of help that blend into my skin a little bit better, so I applied a little bit of foundation on the inside just to make sure we had no hiccups, right? Putting the wig on was extremely easy. So because of course they want this to be glueless, you guys see where they did have the elastic band, kind of has like a little bra strap mechanism to it so that it holds it really tight so that you don't have to do too much to it. So yeah, I really like that feature. And then of course you just want to go ahead and trim off the lace. If you are not comfortable with that, get an auntie, cousin, friend, sister, brother, somebody to help you trim off your lace. It's really easy to do that, especially around your ears, or you can do it before you even put it on your head, whichever you prefer. So this is pretty much just showing you that you don't need to do the whole ball cap method when it comes, or ball cap method when it comes to your wigs. You just kind of want to put them on, get it situated, and go, baby. So you guys, I wish I could give you a side by side. Actually, I can. I guess I can take a screenshot of like what her actual hair looks like in comparison to mine. I may do that in the thumbnail. I'm not sure. But they did a really good job with coloring the actual unit. For extra security, I am just going to be securing this with the Gotta Be Glue spray, which you guys know, pretty easy. The unit did come pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. The hair is dyed. Now you guys will notice that this does have a more natural texture or looking texture when you get your wig as well. So don't be alarmed with that. It is not a synthetic wig at all. Completely able to be straightened or straightened, flat ironed, curled, bleached again if you need to, dyed and all that good stuff. It is more of like a kinky straight, but I wouldn't even go so far as to say that. It really actually mimics more so relaxed hair than it does anything else. So I thought that was great that they did try to, you know, as closely match her texture as well. So I know that that is appreciated. It's not overly silky. Myfirstwigs is one of my favorite hair companies, y'all. I'm hyping them up because literally, like when I started my YouTube channel, I remember getting so excited to work with them because they give you everything you need from start to finish, from a comb that you can actually use. I'm just using the back of my comb to kind of help lay down everything, and then my blow dryer on low. They give you the clips, like I said, the bobby pins, and then they even give you like this it's kind of like an edge tamer, or not really edges, but a frizz away deodorant stick as well. You guys have seen it in a million other videos. If not, check them out, okay? But yeah, and you guys can see the hair is already cut, so it's supposed to be closer to a bob. I did think that Vicky's hair was a little bit shorter than this, just a teensy tiny bit, but you guys know her hair grows really fast, so no big deal. If you want to trim it up a little bit more, you can, but I'm just making sure that everything is smooth as possible so that I can pretty much get the look for less. I don't even know that it's less, but definitely get the look for sure. And that's another thing. Their units are always really fairly priced, so definitely make sure to check it out. If I do have any coupon codes or anything like that, which I usually do, I will leave it down in my description box. Of course, I use my hot comb just to really sleek everything down, and boom, look at that parting. So because I already have my hair in braids, I will have some natural parts that will kind of peek through, but I'm really liking the color. So I took some of my mousse, you guys. I finally was able to find the cream of nature. Obviously, I didn't use it in this video, but you'll see it in my upcoming videos in combination with the Kenra. I believe this is a thermal spray. I'm saying I believe, I know it is because I use it all the time. But let me know if you guys want me to create like an Amazon store or something like that for all the items that I typically use, because you guys always ask me, you know, whether you message me or send it in a comment like, hey, what is this? Where do I get it from? So maybe I can just put the links like in the description box. Let me know how you feel about that. I don't know. But yeah, you guys see how easy it straightens, and look at those highlights and lowlights. It's more, I guess it looks more reddish brown to me, at least like in person it did, but I really appreciated the color, especially when the sun hit it. Like when I took off this wig, babe was just literally like, okay, like you only wore the wig for the video. I'm so confused. So that is to say, he really liked the unit. He's not a fan of wigs at all, but he really liked this one, so I appreciated that. And this is pretty much the look, guys. You can definitely keep it real simple, real cute, but you guys know I wanted to give you some other options. So Vicky tends to wear her hair up inside of like a ponytail. She'll do half up, half down. She'll have her little, I call them the antennas, you know, where you just kind of have the old school Spice Girl antennas hanging down while the rest of your hair is kind of up. So she'll do styles like that. But yeah, I'll leave her handle and all that stuff down in my description as well if you guys are unfamiliar with her channel. But I really appreciated this wig. Now, I would say that I'll probably go in and pluck out, I guess, the sides of the unit, or not even the sides, just the whole frontal area a little bit more so that it really bleeds into the skin and you guys really believe that this is my hair. I would also probably trim it up just a teensy tiny bit more because I don't really care for the mid length. It's not even that it's mid, it's just on me it's a little bit longer than I needed it to be. I'm saying that, but really this isn't even really a con. This is more so just like finding something to say, right? But yeah, so I was really happy about the look. Like I said, the hair was really soft. It did smell like conditioner, which I don't think is a bad thing, so I don't know if that's something that may or may not bother you. I was thinking, like, if I was able to get this up in a ponytail, what it would look like. I'm not exactly sure that the hair in the back would have been long enough for that, but I don't think it would have looked bad at all. Of course, there are combs in the back, so you can definitely kind of hold your wig down as tight as possible as you need to. And yes, babies, I definitely hope you enjoy this. I don't really think that there's many or much else that I kind of went over inside of this outside of like a quick curl. I'm going to throw some curls in this, do a side part, kind of show you the flexibility, and I will pretty much be back to close this out. So enjoy this, me no longer talking.
Yeah. No, 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 yeah, no, 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 yeah, no, 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 yeah, yeah, no, yeah, no, no, no.
So look at that, finishing up this last curl. You guys, first of all, I use a Baby Bliss flat iron, which is not the flat iron you use to curls to do these curls. So disregard that. But do you see how natural it looks? Like literally blown out hair. If I was to color my hair, blow it out, silk press, you know, 2 seconds later it's going to have that kind of textured look. I really love that and appreciate it. So thank you so much, Myfirstwigs, for sending me this. Congrats, Vicky, on that collaboration. You guys did a great job. Definitely leave any comments or questions down below. If you guys are new here, welcome. Thanks for sticking around for the full video. Definitely make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well as all other social media platforms. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you later. Bye, babies.